بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, we were in lesson number 8. In this lesson, we were studying about the substitute. The substitute in Arabic language is called as badal or badalun. The purpose of badal is to stress on the subject. Badal is a ma'rifah which comes after ismul ishara. That ismul ishara can be for muannath or for muzakkar or for far or for near. So here this is ismul ishara, this is ismul ishara, this. Okay. So now we have to answer the following questions. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyah. From the paragraph we have to make the answers of these questions. The first question is Man hadha ar-rajulu wa man dhalika ar-rajulu. This is ismul istifham. Hadha ismul ishara lil qarib lil muzakkar. Ar-rajulu badal for this hadha. Same here, man. Zalika is ismul ishara lil ba'id lil muzakkar, and this is the badal for this mubtada or this zalika. Okay, this subject. Now the translation for this question is who is this man and who is that man. Okay, in a normal circumstance we would have said who is this and who is that, but if we want to stress or emphasize upon the subject, then at that point of time we use ismul ishara, and immediately after that badal is used. Okay, and that badal is nothing but a noun with al attached in front of it. Okay, so the answer for this question is hadha ar-rajulu tajirun wa zalika ar-rajulu tabibun. Hadha mubtada ismul ishara lil qarib lil muzakkar mubtada, and this is badal for this ismul ishara. So it becomes this man. This is the khabar for this mubtada tajirun. Waw harf waqf. This is mubtada number 2, ismul ishara lil ba'id lil muzakkar, and for this ismul ishara this is the badal, and this is khabar number 2. Translation for this sentence will be this man is a businessman and that man is a doctor. Next question, Masmu Tajiri. What is the name of the businessman? Here ma is ismu istifham. Okay, ismu mudaf, at-tajiri mudaf ilayhi. Now this is the answer. Ismuhu mahmudun. It can also be written as ismu tajiri mahmudun, but here tajir is muzakkar, hence we can use the pronoun for it. Dhamirun muttasilun. Who is dhamirun muttasilun? Attached pronoun. Okay, so it comes at the place of mudaf ilayhi, who is in the place of at-tajiri. So we can write ismu tajiri mahmudun, or we can write ismuhu mahmudun. Next question. Masmu tabibi. What is the name of the doctor? Ismuhu Sa'idun. Min ayna sayyaratu tabibi. Min harfu jar. Ayna ismu istifham. Sayyaratu mudaf. At-tabibi mudaf ilayhi. From where the car of the doctor is. So answer is sayyaratu tabibi min al-Yaban. sayyaratu mubtada mudaf ilayhi harfu jar ism majrur jar majrur shibhu jumla khabar mubtada jar majrur shibhu jumla khabar. Okay, this is mudaf ilayhi. The car of the doctor is from Japan. Means it has been imported from Japan. Okay, and now next question. It is on the similar pattern. Min ayna sayyaratu tajiri. Now here we have used these words as those are, but in this place, in the place of this noun, we would have used an appropriate pronoun, appropriate dhamir. So as this is feminine, the feminine dhamir for this will be hiya, dhamirun munfasilun. Okay, so we can either say sayyaratu tajiri min America, or we can say hiya min America. So here hiya is dhamirun munfasilun for sayyara. Okay, now similar is the case with the next question. Aina baytu tajiri. The translation for this sentence will be the car of the businessman is from America, or we can say it is from America. Next question. Aina baytu tajiri. Where is the house of the businessman? Now either we can say baytu tajiri, or we can say huwa, because baytu is muzakkar, hence we have to use the appropriate pronoun dhamirun munfasilun lil muzakkar. Hence we can say baytu tajiri amam al masjidi, or we can say huwa amam al masjidi. Baytu is mubtada wa huwa mudaf, at-tajiri mudaf ilayhi. If we would have used huwa, then this would have been the mubtada. Okay, amama is zarful makan, and it is also khabar, and the noun following it is always majroor. Hence the noun here becomes al masjidi. Okay, next question. It is on the similar pattern of the question number 6. Aina baytu tabibi. We would have used baytu tabibi, or we can use huwa in place of bayt. Okay, so here we have used huwa khalfal madrasati. Huwa mubtada, khalfa zarful makan, and khabar. Okay, and whatever noun comes after